Have a look. Here you can see we have CeeLo dice here in New York, in Manhattan. Come to see. Remote control juice board. Have a look, random. Okay, 4, 4, 6. One more time, random. 6, deuce, ace. Now we press the remote control. A. Have a look. 5, 5, 5, winning. Again, A means winning. Beautiful. 5, 6, tray. One more time. A. Winning. 6, 5, 5. And now losing. Ace, ace, deuce. Losing. Ace, ace, deuce. Losing one more time. And very beautiful rolling. Deuce, deuce, deuce. This is the system that you need to use it over there. This and the juice. This is the juice. And the juice can cover the entire pool table. The juice can cover the entire craps table. Or even better, the juice can be in the table or can be outside of the table, in the ceiling or in the floor. When you smash the table or they smash the table, they find completely nothing.